How to become someone people feel addicted to being around. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can become the kind of person people naturally feel drawn towards, someone they enjoy sitting with, talking to, and thinking about even after you're gone. If you want people to look forward to your presence, remember your conversations, and genuinely value their connection with you, then understanding human psychology is essential. Let's begin. Rule 1. Don't make yourself fully available. People value what feels limited. This is known as the scarcity principle in psychology. When something is always available, the human brain stops assigning it high value. But when access is limited, interest increases. Think about your own life. A new phone once felt exciting. A new book or outfit once felt special. But after constant exposure, that excitement faded. Not because the object changed, but because your mind adapted to it. Human relationships work in a similar way. When you become completely predictable and constantly available, people stop feeling the emotional tension that creates curiosity and desire to connect. There is no fear of losing access to you, so the emotional investment decreases. This does not mean ignoring people or playing games. It means maintaining balance. Be present, but not overwhelming. Be engaging, but not constantly accessible. Allow space for anticipation. Rule 2. Create emotional variety. Human attention is sustained by emotional contrast. If every interaction feels the same, people quickly become accustomed to it. But when interactions contain variation, moments of humor, depth, surprise, or meaningful conversation, the brain stays engaged. Occasionally, surprise people with thoughtful gestures. Bring unexpected perspectives into conversations. Leave interactions at a high emotional point rather than stretching them too long. The goal is balance. Too much attention feels ordinary. Too little attention feels neglectful. Interest lives between those two extremes. Rule 3. Maintain mystery. Don't reveal everything at once. People are naturally curious about what they don't fully understand. When someone feels they have completely figured you out, curiosity declines. But when parts of your personality unfold gradually, engagement continues. Think of reading a book. The excitement exists because you don't yet know what happens next. Once the story is fully known, the curiosity disappears. Similarly, allow people to discover you over time. Share selectively. Let conversations evolve naturally. Avoid oversharing too quickly. Mystery creates mental engagement. Rule 4. Stand out from the crowd. Attraction often begins with differentiation. People notice individuals who feel distinct, not necessarily louder or more dramatic, but authentic and recognizable. This can come from a confident communication style, calm and focused eye contact, unique humor or storytelling, consistent personal energy. When your behavior feels intentional rather than random, people associate your presence with impact. Rule 5. Emotional connection matters more than logic. People rarely connect through logic alone. They connect through emotion. If someone feels good around you, they will naturally want to repeat that experience. This means appreciate people sincerely. Listen actively instead of waiting to speak. Create moments of laughter or comfort. Make conversations feel meaningful. People return to environments where they feel understood and valued. Rule 6. Leave positive emotional residue. The strongest connections are formed not during presence, but after separation. When you leave an interaction, the person should remember how they felt relaxed, energized, amused, or understood. If your presence consistently creates positive emotional memories, your absence naturally creates anticipation. That's when people begin thinking about you even when you're not around. Final principle. Human behavior is simple at its core. People move toward what makes them feel good and meaningful. If your presence consistently creates positive emotional experiences while maintaining individuality, balance, and a sense of value, people will naturally want to stay connected with you. Not because you forced attraction, but because the interaction itself becomes rewarding.